4 cities, 1 epic adventure. Rome, Bristol, Split, Amsterdam. Every journey has a story, and this one takes you through 4 mesmerizing cities, each brimming with history, culture, and adventure. From the ancient wonders of Rome to the artistic streets of Bristol, the sun-drenched shores of Split, and the charming canals of Amsterdam, this is more than just a trip, it's an experience of a lifetime. Rome, the eternal city. Step back in time as you wander through the heart of the Roman Empire. The Colosseum stands as a testament to its glorious past, while the Vatican treasures art beyond imagination. Indulge in authentic pasta, sip on fine Italian wine, and let the magic of Rome steal your heart. Bristol, the creative hub, a city where history meets innovation. Bristol dazzles with its dynamic energy. Walk across the stunning Clifton Suspension Bridge, admire Banksy's street art, and immerse yourself in the buzzing harbor side. Whether it's music, food, or festivals, Bristol is a playground for the creative soul. Split, the Adriatic gem, where the sea meets ancient history, Split is a dream come true. Explore the breathtaking Diocletian's Palace, soak up the sun along the Dalmatian coast, and set sail to nearby islands. With its mix of history, beach life, and vibrant culture, Split offers the perfect Mediterranean escape. Amsterdam, the enchanting canals. Conclude your adventure in the fairy tale-like streets of Amsterdam. Cruise along picturesque canals, visit world-famous museums, and cycle through tulip-filled parks. Whether you're indulging in Dutch delights or uncovering the city's rich past, Amsterdam's charm will stay with you forever. 4 cities, countless memories. From Rome's timeless allure to Bristol's creativity, Split's coastal beauty, and Amsterdam's dreamy charm, each stop adds a new chapter to your travel story. So, where will your journey take you next? Good vibes only.